Hello, everyone, and this is Ashish. I am conducting and creating some videos on ITIL Foundation introduction and the complete concepts, which is going to be discussed over here. And introducing myself, I am Ashish, and I am having a total of 16 years of experience in IT operations, IT management, and IT service management as well. And there are plenty of other things. If you want, you can be able to go and check my LinkedIn profile also, and you people will be able to identify me as Ashish Mishra on LinkedIn and what is my experience, what I do exactly. So the plan is to conduct a series of ITIL videos where I'll be able to explain you the concepts of ITIL. I'm also keep on training some of that industry experience guys and classroom students who are studying in engineering final years or preparing for their job. Some of that industry experts who are working right now as an IT manager or IT engineer, like network administrators, server administrators, some security guys. So there are plenty of people who I am working with and whom I have trained. So if you discuss about the count, it is like more than 5,000 students I have explained these topics already, and few more topics is going to come in further future. So without delaying anymore, we'll be starting that ITIL4 foundation introduction. So we are going to work on that. So guys, just understanding that what we are going to read or understand this video will be covering some basics of ITIL, like introduction to ITILv4, what is ITIL, what purpose of ITIL, who uses ITIL and why. So there are plenty of things when you plan to do such kind of certifications, then you have plenty of questions in your mind that why you are going to study, why you are going to learn this particular syllabus and how you are going to utilize it in your career as your live environment. So, understanding the significance of some syllabus which you are using or going to study is somewhat different, and it is very much important that you people can understand what you are going to learn out of these syllabus. So, introducing ITIL is like Information Technology Infrastructure Library. This is the version 4 series of ITIL. This certification is now provided by PeopleCert, an organization. So this ITIL is a kind of library which provides a kind of framework or an structure to deploy, to set up an IT process in any of the IT organizations or any other organization wherever IT is helping. So how you are going to set processes, how you are going to establish a proper communication with ITIL and everything from scratch, you will be able to understand as per the syllabus goes on. So, purpose of ITIL, if we can talk about, it's just a simple thing like you are having a big number of people, big number of employees in your department or in your organization, and you need to provide them a kind of service through your IT division. Those services which you are providing, how you are going to manage them, how you are going to provide the proper solutions to the team members, and how you will be utilizing that efficiently so that your users will be satisfied. Now, who uses ITIL and why? If we talk about use of ITIL or who uses ITIL, it is like whoever is working in an IT operations system or IT service management system, they all are utilizing this ITIL, this library or this framework, you can say. And the next question, why we need it? So why we need it? It's like you, if I can tell you in a simple one-liner statement, to run your operations smoothly, you need an ITIL framework. So with that, you will be able to make it easy, make it understand that how it is going to work and how it will be understood, how you will be providing the services to your users. So this is what, how, and why you are going to work on. When we talk about Module 1, Introduction and Key Concepts of IT Service Management, there are plenty of, but yes, we will start with ITIL. So I'll be explaining you the core service management definitions and concepts, how value is created in services by streamlining your processes, smoothing them up, giving them a proper direction to achieve some goals, service relationships, the ITIL terms, these all and everything you will be able to understand that. So as I said earlier, that ITIL is a information technology infrastructure library, the framework of IT service management. When we talk about that, it's a framework, not a tool. ITIL is, when we say that it's not a tool, it's not an application, it's not an hardware thing which you can buy and you can start utilizing it. It is something which is given you a theory and its practical deployment in your organization. It's a theorem, it's a rule or a rule book which is provided to you, and you have to design your operations, design your functioning of ITIL with these framework. And then we talk about focus of ITIL. So focus of ITIL is like, as it is written on the slide, that IT services aligning them, business needs and customer values. So if you can tell you about, or we can go through with an example. Suppose you are studying in or working into an organization which is providing some support to the in-house clients or maybe an onshore client. So then in that case, what happens? They expect something from you because they are paying you something to get the services. So in that case, they have some of their expectations, like if they are getting some issues related to IT, they need to be those issues to get resolved in XYZ period of time. Maybe they are expecting something like their applications are not running. They want them to run in a smoother way. They want some deploy some securities onto it. They want their users will get all the services on time without any other intervention. So there are plenty of things which you can create by designing your processes properly, maturing your processes as much as you can, so that people will be able to utilize your services and utilize the services from IT operations which is provided to the users. If I can go with one of the examples, better example, suppose you got a resource in one of your organization and they need something. They need a new laptop or asset, headsets, mouse, keyboards. They need to be get created their IDs, their login accounts, their credentials. They need some tool accesses. So there are plenty of things which they require as a new employee. So then in that case, suppose if you are not having a set process, that new joiner into your organization will be struggling with all those things. He need to reach out to his or her manager to look for IT operations, look for everything. But suppose if you are having a proper set process, like a simple thing, that the manager who is hiring someone, he or she is providing you a detail that this person is going to be joining on coming month or coming week or so and so date, suppose some A date of the next month. And then they have provided you a list of that this particular person is going to need some ABCD tools access when while he will be working over here. He needs these accounts on the systems created, some elevated accesses he needs, or he gives you one of the current employees employee ID to replicate you the accesses of that particular employee. So this way you are pre-prepared before the joining of that particular resource. And once that resource joins the company, he will get the laptop, he will get the systems, and everything he is getting on the same day, well ready and well structured way, that he'll be able to work on. So in that way, you are saving the time of your organization. You are saving the frustration which will potentially get created in between you as an IT people and your manager, your client side. So these things can be resolved, and this is one example. There are plenty of others which need some of the process settlement, and you need to understand that. I hope these pointers and these thoughts are very much clear with you guys. So next we are going to understand the purpose of ITIL, structure and adopted by, who adopts these things. Organized around concepts like the service value systems, guiding principles. So these are the part of ITIL: practices, processes, principles, system value, service value systems, everything. So in an organization, you need to create a structure, like people understand that something is incident management, something is change management, something is problem management, enhancement, demands. There are plenty of things, plenty of part of this ITIL services which helps you to create some environment where you can be able to understand that. Adopted by, who uses that, or who is going to utilize this, where they are going to utilize it. So it could be like enterprise, any enterprises, it may be manufacturing, it may be a FMCG, it may be a pure IT company, it may be a service provider, anyone. They all, if they are having an IT department into it, or they are running some kind of operations, they can be able to utilize this particular ITIL library or a framework systems. So government bodies are also utilizing it, service providers, whoever is utilizing it. So these all people are trying to use it and try to explain it. Now we'll go on next slide. I would like to make you guys understand that what happens in a fun way, which we call it as. So why, if you are skipping the ITIL, what will happen? Skipping ITIL is like deploying without testing. So you don't know about anything, you don't understand about anything, and you just deployed it. So surety is there, possibility is there, it might work until it doesn't, right? So if you are deploying with the thought process that, okay, it is going to work, it works possibly. Suppose it fails. In that case, what you will do? You don't have any plan or B plan to move ahead to understand that, to repair those things, what you are going to use it. So because of these purposes, what happens, guys, this is the biggest thing that you need to understand, that you need to have a plan to run any show, to keep the lights on in your organization. So this is what the thought process, why you need ITIL, what is an ITIL. I would love to hear from you guys, your questions, your comments, everything, whatever you have, whatever the thoughts you people are having, and I will try to answer each and every questions of yours. With this, I'm wrapping up this section, a small video of 15-minute introduction of ITIL. And moving ahead, the next question will be, next chapter will be coming soon on this ITIL versions. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to follow, share, and subscribe on that YouTube. You all can find me on Instagram as well, as the channel name or that Instagram handle is Byte&BrewPune. And there are plenty of other things which is coming in, and you people can be able to find it out. So please don't forget to subscribe, and please don't forget to follow. Thank you very much, guys.